Hello beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Gazelle box, April's 2019. Look at how pretty the box is. I hope they stick with this box because it is beautiful. So this box is a $24.99 a month box. You get 4 to 7 items, and let's see what's in there. I'm kind of excited. I love Gazelle, y'all. I know they have had some problems in the past, but they seem to be working it out. So there you go. I mean, you can't do nothing but, you know, when you make a mistake, try to learn and go forward. Okay, so it came like this. So there was a card on top, and then here we go. So when you pull the paper back, you got this beautiful, very summery makeup bag. It's fairly good size, and it's padded too. I like that. There we go. I love it. All right, let's see what's in here under the. Ooh, I already see. You guys, if y'all watched me very long, you know that I like masks. If you're new here, welcome. I love masks. I do one at least once a week, sometimes more. I did 2 together on Sunday night. So, oh, what is this? Oh, and here's the next thing. It's by Sigma, and it's a brush cleaner. You know, you get soap on your brush, put this under the water. See, this goes where it drains. So this goes where it drains if you have never used one. You have soap on your brush and wet it, and then wash it here, rinse it here, and then, you know, set it off to dry. Okay, this next thing is Tropical Breeze. I've seen this in another April box. I wonder if they included a tea bag. They did in theirs. But anyway, this is a tropical tea that is fruity, delightful, and great for digestion. I like tea, and so I've even drank diet tea before. So it was made to detox. So this should be pretty good. I can't wait to try it. Okay, so the next thing is the Ultra Lip Therapy by, I think this is First Aid Beauty. Yep. So, I'm telling you guys, I can always use, I want to feel it. I can always use, oh, it's thick. Oh, that's even better. I use lip stuff in the morning when I get up, at night when I go to bed, and all in between, because if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I have terribly dry lips. And I also noticed that you can't see my eyeshadow or nor my eyebrows. I must have forgot to do my eyebrows. Oh well. So this next thing is KMS Anti-Humidity Seal Spray. So it's hairspray. Let's see if it smells. A very light scent, not a heavy alcohol scent like you get in most. That is what it looks like. I love getting hairspray instead of dry shampoo. I do not like dry shampoo. Okay, here's something else. This is called Chocate Pear Tiger Grass Cream from Dr. Jart. I don't really know what this is for. I don't have on my glasses, so I can't read it. And my glasses are across the room, so here we go. Contains directions. I can't read it, but when I use it, I'll give a update. If y'all are interested, just comment down below. Oh, here's something from Doll 10. Let me see. It's the Hydrogel Cream Balm. Now, I think I've seen this on either HSN or QVC. It's in the color Dulce. So I think you can just wear this anywhere. You could wear it on top of your lips. You could use it for blush. I think it's just an all over on top of my pink blush. Maybe a little much. But anyway, that's yeah, I think you could put this on your lips or your cheeks. Down your nose. Give it that sun-kissed look. I'm excited, and it smells so good. It really kind of smells like lip balm. I would use it anywhere. I'm gonna pull the sticker off of it. And that's what it looks like. It's got a mirror. Alright. And the last but not least is some type of palette. Let's look. Oh, okay. It is the NYX Sugar Trip Squad Highlight Palette. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now, it doesn't have a mirror. Let's get this off so we can see the colors. I stuck my finger right in it. Look at all the different colors. I see 3 that I can wear. I don't know about that gold, but I can see it on dark skin, like on suntan skin or darker skin. So I want to swatch them. So they don't have names. This one is a true highlight. That pink may be a blush. Gold. I like it. It looks good on my suntanned arm, but my terrible face is light. And it just won't work, I know. Those are nice. Right in my wrist wrinkle. But those are the colors right there. I think those are gorgeous. I need some different lighting. I don't know what to do, actually. I have my ring light behind me, and I'm still pale, and you should be able to see those better. I'll take a picture and insert it somewhere. So that is this month's Gazelle box. I love it. I like this. I'm excited to get hairspray. I was out. The Power of Tiger Grass Dermagreen Solution. So I don't know. This must be something for your skin. Maybe bug bites. I have no idea. I'll read it and figure it out. I need a new one of these. Mine in my purse is falling apart, and I didn't want to use my last one because I didn't want it to get messed up. A brush cleaner. I have several of these, so I may put this one away to use later or give to one of my nieces or some such. The lip therapy. If I didn't have on these gray lips, I would try this on, but I don't want to mess up the top. We got this Hydrogel Cream Balm, which I think really may be for lips, but I think I would wear it on my cheeks. I'm dry, and the powder products are just killing me right now. There. And the tea, I'm excited to try. It looks like it will probably do 2 times. And there wasn't a tea bag. I wish they had included a tea bag, because probably not everybody has the little steeper thing that like I have, and I don't even know where I came by it. And then the brightening mask, like a halo for your face. Now, I can't wait to try that. I haven't tried one from e.l.f. Tried one from many. Soe or Sue is my favorite mask. But I'm excited to try that. I got a personalized note. And I like that they included the items. They didn't include all the items. They included 3. And then said plus items that are customized for you. So I kind of like that they include the same few things and then put other stuff in the box. And the more they get to know you, the better customized your box will be. And is it worth the $24.99? Yes, I think so. If you want to try it, you can use the code VELVET. That's VELVET, just like in the name of this channel, Velvet Over 50. Just use VELVET and you'll get 50% off your first box. You can try using it on just a one-time purchase, but I don't know if that will work or not. But yes, I think that's it. And I can't wait for the next box. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.